Hello, everyone. Welcome again to International English Guru's online success time again. I have with me Chintan from India, and he has hit an amazing mark in a very short span of time, all through online lessons. And that's a very inspirational story, and I'm sure that's going to inspire you as well. So, Chintan, what was your target score?
My target score was 65 each.
65 each. And what is that you have achieved? What are your scores? Can you share your scores with us, please?
My overall score is 72.
70.
And in listening, I have got 74.
Yeah.
In 74, yeah. On reading, I have got 71. On speaking, I have got 85. And in reading, I have got 65.
Still a great score overall. And
Yeah.
reading is the one I'm most impressed by. That's really a great mark you've hit. So, Chintan, tell us more about your online experience.
I personally believe that online teaching or personal teaching, uh, there is a myth that you cannot study in online. Uh, I have previously I have studied in lectures here in Gujarat, right? But I didn't get my desired score,
Oh,
even though I have studied much harder than this time, but I didn't get my score at that time. But in online study, in PT, there are most important things, tips and tricks. You know how to, you must know how to give your exam. And that I have studied from English Guru. It really helped me in about structures or where I should eliminate my mistakes in reading or in writing. That helped me very much.
I want to
Uh,
thank you so much, Chintan. You've really hit the mark here. You said something which you worded something so perfect, which I want to rephrase here. Everyone who's listening to us right now, it is not whether you're learning online or you're learning face to face. What matters is, are you learning the right thing? He learned everything online and it still worked out so well. So thank you for putting that point out, Chintan. I really appreciate you. You're a very wise boy. How long was your
yeah.
training with International English Guru?
Uh, Actually, due to some health issues, I have to. Previously, I have completed all my lectures.
Right.
Then, due to COVID situation in my home, I have to pause on studies for near about 1.5 month. But after that, when I started study, uh, I uh, I practiced, and wherever I got something uh, issues with understanding, then I have contacted to the English Guru and they have resolved my issues.
Excellent. All
Yes.
right. Tell us something about the lessons, because normally I get to know from the students that, ma'am, lessons are great, they're simple to understand, they actually improve the scores, but they are very long. What is that you have to say about it?
Initially, in 2 to 3 lectures, I also felt that the lessons are very long. But I personally feel that if you are studying one section at one time, you can remember it more efficiently. If
That
you are splitting the lectures, then most of the time you forget about 70 50 to 20% from previous lecture. And if you
I
are
agree
studying
with
whole
you.
section at the one time, it will be easy. And if you are revise that,
Yes.
you take notes and you revise that at the same time and the second day, then it will be very beneficial.
Absolutely. That was my logic behind having long lessons, because the best way to learn is by listening. And more you're listening at a stretch, listening about the same topic in different aspects, it tends to stay longer in your brain and it tends to stay better in your brain. So you got the point really right there as well. All right, Chintan. So this is anything else, any other message you'd like to give to your brothers and sisters out there or out here?
uh, First thing, don't doubt about their lectures or their structures. They work perfectly. Their guru mantras are 100% successful. Just blindly follow them. You will get your desired score. And one more thing, if you want to practice more, then buy their practice test bundle. That helped me very much because almost every day I have given a test in full test, and that is the different scenario when you are giving a full test.
Yes.
If you are practicing only read aloud, read aloud, read aloud, but if you are giving the test, which is all different because it gives you a pressure about read aloud, then repeat sentence, then retell lecture. Everything is you can will be very beneficial for your test.
I got this little chance to speak to you today, and it's wonderful getting your feedback on things. And I'm really happy for your scores, as well as for you having achieved it. And now you're ready to come to Australia, right?
Yeah, thank you very
Let's
much.
wish
Thank
you
you very much
very
for
happy
your
to meet
support.
up.
Actually,
My
yes.
pleasure. My
Without
pleasure.
English Guru, I won't be able to achieve my score. That
Our
is definitely.
our absolute pleasure. And it was pleasure to have you as a student and to have spent these morning minutes with you. Thank you, Chintan. You
Yeah,
have a
thank you.
lovely day ahead, and we hope to see you in Australia very soon.
Yeah, thank you very much.